it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and this is a post review. This is one of the main reasons I started my channel 2.5 years ago. So that many people were doing unboxings, but they weren't showing finished product. And I don't know if that's because it was so new and they hadn't completed it, or if that was just everybody was watching unboxings. I wanted to develop a channel that showed post reviews as well. And that's how I started. And it all ended with this diamond painting guide and logbook. And the reason I'm pointing this out is in the back is a log sheet. And there's a post review section, and that is what I'm going to use to let you know what I thought of this canvas. If you've been around my channel long enough, you've seen this canvas in some whip-in chats, drill with me's. This is a diamond Dotz. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is 85 by 67, and it is called Dragon Princess and has ABs, rhinestones, and special drills in it. It is a partial. A partial means not all of it, like this part right here doesn't have drills or diamonds, but it is fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous. It is a diamond Dotz. Diamond Dotz is always round, meaning dots, and they were one of the first premier quality diamond kits out there, and they've continued to organically and really put effort into changing the diamond painting world and taking it to the next level. And so I want to dive into this post review. So first off, canvas glue. Out of 5 stars, what do I give it? I give it a full 5 stars. First off, it was a dream to work with. There were no slippery spots. There were no non-stick spots. Slippery is where the glue is there, but when you put the drill down, it's like, it's like you're on ice skates. And sometimes that happens when the glue hasn't had time to cure. And none of that happened with this. Also, they did an excellent job, usually with the partial. Sometimes you'll get glue outside of the partial line, and this, I'll show you up close, is right on target. None of that is sticky. I can run my finger right on it. My hair's not going to catch on it. They did a really great job at pinpointing where the glue is supposed to go. And especially since they have like stair step and some detailed parts, it took a lot of effort for them to get this design right, and they did a great job. So glue, give full 5 stars. Now, symbol clarity. Over here, you can see their symbols. They were very easy to read. I didn't have any trouble choosing which symbol went where. And I will say I did get distracted while watching a video and switched some of the colors up, but that was my brain power. That was not the symbol at all. I'm just self-disclosing. So note to self, pay attention. Like I would think, I would go over here and I would choose, all right, I'm going to do symbol P, but then I would come over here and I would pick symbol T, and my brain would put the T's on the P's. It was, yeah, I fixed it though. Drill quality and quantity. These were to die for. Drills, excellent, super sparkly. You can see I'm just lifting this. If I even move my head, it's just sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. And that's even without the ABs. Diamond Dotz does an excellent job on the cut. I did not run out of any drills. I have to let me see if I have them. All right, so the blues here are the ones that I had for this painting. So these are, I'm still waiting to fill these numbers up because I was skipping numbers. This is my Diamond Dotz collection. And so these blues, I had plenty of drills left over, and it's great. Let me see the other one. Here's the greens that I had. and the tans. So I had nothing missing at all. And then I chose this storage to keep my diamond dots in because they're labeled differently than DMC. They have a different number. They call it a DD number, diamond dots. And so I wanted them separate because I hope to have many, many more. And in January, for my celebrating my event, Blinging in the New Year, I plan on freestyling with diamond dots. Can't wait for that to happen. All right, design success, you tell me. Is this princess and her dragon not stunning? Just absolutely beautiful. I had a painting laying on top of this, and the drills of that painting keep coming off. It's not the diamond dots painting. And so this was just absolutely gorgeous, so exciting. I think what I'm going to do is because it's a partial, I'm gonna seal it with this Podge Extreme Glitter, because I thought if I Mod Podge the partial part, that would have a little glitz as well. I also thought of using regular Mod Podge on the diamond part and the glitter on the background, just to give it a little heads up. I'm gonna try it on a corner of this pattern just to make sure that I don't mess this beautiful canvas up. I've also heard with Mod Podge it's best to water it down a bit, because for a sealant it can get a little like not as clear as you would like. So maybe that's a future video. And then experience. The experience was fantastic. It just came to life as I was doing it. I started out, if you remember, in this bottom corner. Oh, look at that sparkle. And then I moved into this, and then the ABs just on her dress are just divine. And then I moved in. This is my favorite color palette right here. If you just wanted my favorite colors, you would just cut this section out right here. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the dragon came to life. The experience was amazing. And then if you look up here, there's the special drills. They're just beautiful in her hair. And because it's a partial, it's a piece of hair. Because it's a partial, the face comes out so elegant. Sorry, my dog. Woo. Also, I want to show you that even though it frayed, that's why we have a serge there, because it stopped the fray from going further. So I love that Diamond Dot serges their edges, because it does stop, because some of this canvas is going to fray, and that's what the serging is for, is to stop it from going any further. Similar to a hem in your pants or on your shirt. So I give this actually a full 5 stars in every category. So this complete canvas is 5 stars, divine to work on. Thank you so much for the opportunity, Diamond Dots, and I check them out. I know they're selling right now in Hobby Lobby and Joann Fabrics. Highly recommend. They will have, 40% off sales or coupons. Grab them right now. Dragon Princess, I believe you have to buy off of their site. But I wanted to show you their product and let you check them out and give you this post review. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have post reviews as well. Don't forget to add them to Creative Craft Addictions Facebook group. The link's down below, because we would love to see what you're working on and what your finishes are. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.